Hi, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome back again. In this video, I'll show you how to use arithmetic operator. Okay, let's get started. This is the previous video. Good. Just delete all this thing. Okay. First of all, I'm going to declare some variable. Okay, just int a, b, and c. Okay. Just assign a value a 25 and b equal to 30, and we can also declare like this: a 25, okay, b 30, so no need this one. Okay, and the c equal to a plus b. Okay, and also d, like we can use sum, and we can use mul, multiplication, and SUV subtract, okay, and divide. Okay, and the sum, okay, and multi equal to a into b, sum equal to a minus b. I'm going to use 35. Okay, div equal to a divided b. Okay, just print f the result is sum percent d. Okay, and that is sum. In my previous video, I discussed about how to print integer, how to print double, how to print float, how to print character, right? If you are not sure, just see my previous video. Okay, just print /n. Okay, for my shortcut, I'm just copy and paste the sum, that is mul multiplication, mul multi, the result is SUV sum, and it will be also sum, and that is divided. Okay, if I click on the run and build and run button, then it will show the result. Wait a moment. Let's see what happened. Okay, the result is sum is 65, the result is multi is 1050, and the result is subtract is 5, and result is divided 1. Okay, you can see the 35 and 30, the 30 going to divide the 35, right? So I want to see the exactly result. So what can I do? That's why for this one, I have to declare a float. Okay, that is called div. Okay, if I use the float, then I have to use f. If I click on run and build button, then you can see And if I use the 65 here and 65, if I change the value, then see what happened. 2. Okay. If I use here like float double DUVL, okay, I have to need to use LF. Let's see what happens. Same thing. Okay. Usually it's not big data, that's why I'm going to use only 2. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Okay, it looks good. Thank you very much. And in my next video, I'll discuss about the input value from take input to value and make some summation, subtraction, multiplication, and use of scanf. Okay, and then another thing is, if you like this video, and definitely do subscribe and definitely press the bell icon and also make a thumbs like. Thank you very much.